Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your pharmacy assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey there, herb enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to talk to you about Ginkgo Biloba, a medicinal plant with amazing properties. First things first, what is it used for? Ginkgo Biloba is well known for improving memory and concentration. It also helps treat anxiety, dementia, and dizziness. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your focus or relieve stress, Ginkgo Biloba could be perfect for you. So how does it work its magic? This herbal supplement improves blood circulation, especially to the brain. By doing this, it increases oxygen and nutrient flow, which helps improve cognitive functions and reduce dementia symptoms. Now let's talk dosage. It's best to start with a low dose, around 120 milligrams a day, divided into 2 or 3 doses. After a few weeks, you can gradually increase it up to 240 milligrams daily if needed. It's important to take it with food and not exceed the recommended dose. Although it is generally safe, Ginkgo Biloba can have some side effects like headaches, dizziness, and an upset stomach. Also, if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking blood thinner, it's best not to take. In short, Ginkgo Biloba is an excellent choice for improving memory and circulation. Don't forget to always consult with your doctor before you start taking any supplements. I hope you found this information helpful. See you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.